India has been celebrating Teachers' Day on 5th September since 1962, the birthday of our eminent educationist Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. Today, we the students of St. Anne's High School wish to acknowledge the mission and the dedication of the teachers through a short program. We begin with a short prayer. Kindly take a reverent posture while he leads us in prayer.
God of love, we thank you for the teachers who make a difference in our lives by reaching out to us and discovering our special abilities and talents. Bless our teachers so that they continue to be exemplary instructors and educators, conscious of their noble vocation. Motivate them to keep abreast with change so that they continue to make learning fun for us. We remember our ex-teachers in a special way, Lord. Protect them from all harm, moral, emotional or physical. Favor our teachers with good health and peace of mind. Keep each one of them and their families in your loving care. Endow them with all the patience, love and understanding they need in order to face the challenges of changing times. Help our teachers to find fulfillment and happiness through their teaching profession. Grant that those who teach and those taught may find you to be the source of all truth and wisdom. Amen.
Every letter in the word teacher declares what you, dear teachers, do for us. And though we may never be able to repay you, we want you to know that we acknowledge and are grateful for the gift of you to us. We wish to pay you tribute by spelling this out.
T. T is for the teaching talent you apply to impart skills of the learning process in order to mold us into persons of character, competence, conscience, and compassion.
E. E is for the enthusiasm you spread to inspire and exhort us. As an educator, you enkindle the fervor in our souls to be enthused with interest in our studies.
A. A is for the ability in you, which discovers our potential and motivates us to be achievers. You make learning a joy, a discovery, fun, and an adventure.
C. C is for the commitment of time, labor, and energy you invest in the esteemed noble task as a responsible and dedicated teacher of St. Anne's High School.
H. H is for the home-like feeling that you create for us in school. You teachers make school our second home, with you as second parents. You think and plan good things for us and guide us rightly to ensure a bright future.
E. E is for the equality you promote in us without a trace of bias. You provide equal opportunity to all and transmit the value of non-discrimination.
R. R for the resourcefulness you have in abundance to cope with any situation or problem. You are resourceful in managing us with your creative ingenuity.
S. S is for the selfless service you render without any expectation of reward, doing what is right and going the extra mile for the welfare of the school and students.
We have a few parents who would like to express their gratitude to the teachers of St. Anne's for their contribution in the growth and development of their children.
Hello everybody, I am Michael D'Souza, a parent of two children, Calista, who passed out from St. Anne's High School last year, and Chriselle, who is now studying in the 6th standard. They say that 1,000 hours of study is worth 1 hour with a teacher. The teachers of St. Anne's give their students lessons that last a lifetime. They put their heart and soul into the job of molding our children into citizens of the future. Their enthusiasm day in and day out to keep their students engaged in studies and other activities is inexhaustible. For this, I would like to say a big thank you to all teachers on this Teachers' Day, for they are the heroes who fire countless dreams and aspirations, bringing hope and joy into the hearts of our children.
On behalf of our family, we would like to wish the principal and all the teachers of St. Anne's High School a very happy Teachers' Day.
Hello everyone. I, Shirley Suarez, am a parent of two handsome boys, Denver, who passed his SSC in 2012, and Dalton, who is presently studying in the 8th standard. You, dear teachers of St. Anne's, have nurtured and helped my children, Denver and Dalton, blossom into persons of character and substance. The training my son Denver has received at school has held him in good stead as he lives independently and pursues higher education in faraway Canada. Today, I take this opportunity to express my heartfelt gratitude to all the teachers of this institution, both past and present, who have contributed their might in raising a generation that is ready to face the challenges of a global society. You all are great, and I am grateful. God bless you all always. I would like to wish our dear principal, Father Michael Pinto, and his team of teachers, along with the non-teaching staff, a very happy Teachers' Day. Thank you.
Hello everybody. A teacher takes a hand, opens a mind, teaches a heart, and shapes the future of the students. That is exactly what our teachers of St. Anne's do. They have inspired hope, ignited imagination, and instilled in my children, Keenan, who has finished his 10th, and Brendan, who is currently doing his 10th, the love of learning. Our teachers take time out of their busy schedule for those who need them. They are parents and counselors to our children in school, lending them a listening ear and creating a safe and secure environment for them. Thank you, dear teachers, for all your hard work and dedication. I assure you, dear teachers, that your sacrifices do not go unnoticed. Thank you very much and wish you a very happy Teachers' Day.
Yes, dear teachers, you inspire, encourage, facilitate, and support us to be capable enough to face all the odds of life. We wish to honor you with song. Jermaine and Jeremiah Lessida have composed and sung Stand By Me, while Jaden Lessida has accompanied them on the guitar. You make a world of difference to each of us.
So teachers, stay by me, oh, stay. ways I never understood, and now it's all coming back to me. So teacher, teacher, stay by me. Oh, stay by me. Oh, stand now. Stand by me. Stand by me. Whenever you're in trouble, won't you stand by me? Oh, stand by me. Oh, stand now. Stand by me. Stand by me.
On that note, we end the short tribute to our teachers. Happy Teachers' Day!